In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello workspace. Whether you're just getting started with Trello or looking to organize your projects more effectively, setting up a workspace can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration with your team. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to head over to your Trello board. If you're not already there, just navigate to your web browser, type in the URL, and open up your Trello board. Here, you'll see all the boards you're currently working on. Don't worry if you're a bit overwhelmed at first. We'll walk through this step by step. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu offering you various options. From these, you want to select the option labeled Create Workspace. Clicking this will open up a new window or dialog box designed for setting up your new workspace. Next, you'll need to provide a name for your workspace. Try to choose a name that's both descriptive and easy to remember. This way, you and your team can quickly identify it among any other workspaces you might be managing. Just type in the name in the designated field and you're all set for the next step. Following that, you'll be asked to choose the type of workspace you're creating. This helps customize the setup to better suit your needs. Think about the nature of your projects. Is it personal, educational, or maybe team collaboration oriented? Make your selection, as this will help Trello offer features and templates beneficial to that type of work. After choosing the workspace type, you can opt to add a description. While this step is optional, it can be incredibly useful. A brief description can provide context for other members and clarify the purpose of the workspace. If you choose to add one, make it clear and concise. Once you've done that, click on Continue. This is a confirming action, letting Trello know you're happy with the setup so far. After clicking, you'll be directed to the next phase of setting up your workspace. Now, it's time to add members. Collaborating with a team can transform how you manage your projects. Click on the Add Members section. You can invite your team members by entering their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join your newly created workspace, allowing for seamless collaboration. Finally, once you've added the necessary members, you can go ahead and click on Invite to Workspace. This final action completes the setup process, officially creating your workspace and notifying everyone involved that it's ready to use. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a Trello workspace. Now you're ready to organize projects, assign tasks, and track progress like a pro. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.